Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the unboxing video for PS4 Pro. So I've got this PS4 Pro 1TB delivered just now, and I'm going to take you through the package, what is the contents and everything. So basically, as you can see, it says like 1TB. This is jet black color, and yeah, it says all the features what it comes with. So it has got the PS4, the controller, an earphone, a cable, HDMI cable, and yeah, all the booklet as well. So we'll go through that. And at the back, it's some sort of game promotion it mentions about, and yep, on this side just some extra features saying like it's 4K HDR. Cool. So now we're going to start unboxing the PS4 Pro. So yeah, we'll open the lid, fill it up. So there you go. So first of all, there's like a quick start guide, and if we move further, here it is. So that is our brand new PS4 Pro 1TB. So now we have unboxed all the items. So as you can see, so this is the controller. So this comes with one controller, and this is the earphone which go with the controller. So it goes in here. So this is the controller. Now this bit is the charging cable. So this is the cable which comes with it. Now this is the power cord. So this power cord goes in here, so at the back. So this is the power cord, that's where the power cord will go in. And this is the HDMI cable. So now, so these are accessories. Now coming to the PS4 itself. So this is, yeah, pretty solid looking, pretty stylish, the PS4. So it can stand like this. And so nice logo in the front, very minimalistic design. And at the back it has got all the ports, so Ethernet cable if you want to plug one, but yeah, obviously it has a Wi-Fi as well. So then this is the HDMI cord, and this is the power cord outlet, I mean, so that's where the power cord will go. In the front, so there is another couple of USB port you can see here, and this is the CD, so that's where the CD will go. So if you see here, there is like a little button over here. So if you press this one, that's when like the CD will open and you can put in CD in. So yep, so to get started, yeah, we need this power cable, this cord, HDMI, and yeah, initially you have to connect the USB cable. Use the USB cable to connect this controller to the PS4 at the front, and yeah, that's how it goes. It also comes with a handy, so this is the quick start guide, so that sort of takes you through a bit of the steps how to set it up, but it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, once you set it up, you have to log in with your PS4 ID and get started. So I will play with it a bit, and yeah, hopefully it goes all well. And yeah, it looks, I'm pretty excited about it. It's a very good, sleek device and not very heavy. And yeah, it comes with a lot of features. So yeah, looking forward to use it. So that's all for today. Hope you liked the video. And if you like it, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.